Okay, I need to show you something that genuinely surprised me. There's this tiny Instagram account in a niche called Cozy Horror, and they've already blown past 114,000 followers with videos hitting 80 million, 20 million, even 17 million views on what looks like simple AI-generated clips. And the crazy part? I figured out how to make these myself in under an hour, and I'm going to walk you through the whole thing right now. So, what even is cozy horror? Think creepy atmosphere, soft lighting, eerie shadows, the kind of thing that makes you feel unsettled but also strangely relaxed. It's a weird combo, but clearly the algorithm loves it. And the best part is you don't need any design skills, no camera, nothing fancy, just 2 free tools and about 20 minutes. First, open up ChatGPT, look for Explore GPTs in the left sidebar, search for the Cozy Horror Generator, hit Start Chat, and let it run. It'll give you a list of 10 horror scenarios, so just pick whichever one catches your eye and type the number. It automatically generates 2 things, a detailed image prompt and a video prompt, so keep that tab open. Copy the image prompt and head over to Google Flow AI. Log in with your Google account, start a new project, click on Image Generation, set the aspect ratio to 9:16 for vertical video, choose your outputs, and select the model called Nano Banana 2. Yes, that's actually the name, just trust the process, it works. Paste your prompt, hit generate, and within seconds, you've got a genuinely solid-looking image. Now go back to ChatGPT, grab that video prompt, paste it into Flow, and this part matters. Make sure you select the image you just generated before hitting generate, because a lot of people skip that step and can't figure out why it's not working. Wait about a minute and your video is ready. But if something feels off, like mine had an invisible ghost, which wasn't ideal, don't scrap everything. Just go back to ChatGPT, try a different number, get a fresh set of prompts, regenerate the image, and within 2 minutes, you've got something that actually hits. Once you're happy with it, download it and repeat the whole process with different scenario numbers. You can genuinely batch these out in an afternoon. The niche is still early, the numbers are real, and the barrier to entry is basically zero. So if you've been waiting for a sign to start posting AI content, this is it. Subscribe to AI Zentra for more viral AI niches broken down just like this, and I'll see you in the next one.